Comparative and superlative adjectives. Remember that adjectives are words that describe nouns. There are positive adjectives that describe one thing, comparative adjectives that compare two things, and superlative adjectives that compare three or more things. Positive adjectives describe only one thing, like when I say Molly is a nice girl. The most common way is to add ER to the adjective when we're comparing two things, or add EST when we're comparing three or more things. When it's a comparative adjective, which means it's comparing two things, I add ER. So I would say Amy is taller than Susan. Here, since I'm comparing two skateboards, I can say he has a bigger skateboard. If I was only talking about one skateboard, I would describe it by saying, I have a big skateboard or he has a big skateboard. Superlative means comparing three or more things. So I can say, Tyler has the longest hair. In here, I added EST to the adjective long. Here, since I'm comparing three cars, I can say Jack has the fastest car. Hold on! Just like most rules in English, this one has an exception too. The first exception is that when an adjective is more than three syllables, we add more or most. For example, I can say she is more responsible than her younger sister. I don't say responsibler because it's four syllables. So instead, I add more to the adjective. The second exception is that some words simply don't follow any rules at all. For example, when comparing the adjective good, I don't say gooder, I say better or best. When comparing the adjective bad, I say worse or worst. Great! Now you know the difference between comparative and superlative adjectives and how to use them in your sentences. Thanks for watching!